Make sure you get it on thick enough without too many lumps, okay?
Okay.
Well, this is probably the glue that you had. Let's go out in the sunshine and see. Well, I have that color blue and I have this color blue here. Let's go outside. This one here is probably the better one because it's only one color, one type of stuff. You did.
Myself.
Is this one yours?
It
That's
by
kind of a
myself.
cool thing.
but
This
he
isn't
actually
really
made
something
it.
you can make tea out of, but you can certainly play with it. So set it over here when we're done. All right. And that bowl belongs to Will. I had to trim the bowl because the bottom stuck down.
I don't know
Let me
what
show you
that
some.
is.
We're learning here, so let me show you something. Oh, just set it right there. That I put these underneath so they won't stick to the shelf. See, this sits flat. But when we made this bowl, it was kind of curved like this, and it would have rocked around when you tried to eat out of it. So this one's pretty good to eat out of. It doesn't have a lot of pits and bubbles and stuff. If you guys use a dishwasher to wash just by hand, okay, make sure you get it real good. So we want to make sure that the bottoms are soft and won't scratch your
Ah,
table.
those diamond sponge there.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I can feel a huge dip. Feel how smooth that is. The bottom.
This has got a kind of a nasty.
Yeah, it did have a little rough spot. And you don't want to scratch the other.
Here, hold that for a second. You can do the other plates. Just got to get the.
I want
hang
to
on
do
a second.
some mine.
Look. Okay, so do you guys have any idea? Are you thinking about what you want to make next time you come? Because we're going to do some advanced techniques.
Yeah, because I want to make like a cup, but it has like